Hello, how are you? I just wanted to take this time to thank you for coming out to the open house today. It really meant a lot to have you guys come through and check out the property. So I want to give you a brief recap real quick so you can see what it was. If you have any questions about what you saw today, please feel free to reach out. Hey, we got an opportunity to see 726 Kenyon Street, Northwest. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour of it. This is a two-level condo, two-bedroom, two-level condo with 3 bathrooms, 2.5 baths. Okay, as you can see, it has been beautifully staged to kind of show you the spacing. This is unit 2. Unit 2 is going for about $720,000. As you can see, has plenty of space right here in the living room. Of course, a nice little dining area as well as a very nice shared space here. As you guys can see, with an awesome cooktop. Okay. Another little extra bonus space. All right. Great for relaxing, as well as a walkout to the deck and a share space, as you can see my car. A share space. Okay. So we're going to go back inside and we're going to take a tour of the 2 bedrooms that are on the lower level. So as you can see, it's a very modern unit. Inside of this master, we got a double master suite. So inside of this unit, you can see, let me step it back a little bit, boom. All right, this is also doubles as an exit, just in the event that you wanted to use it as an income property potentially, okay? In addition to that, here is the really, really nice bathroom here. Beautiful. All right, and then down the hall, we're going to have our washer and dryer. We have another storage space, which is located here. We have our washer and dryer side by side. We have another bathroom here. Equally as nice. All right, in addition to here, we have 2 large closets. So one when you first walk in on your left. Really nice place for working, nice workspace, in addition to another closet, which is located here. Okay. Now, this particular property also walks out to its own little private little patio space that you're able to get out from here and there. You can go right into that. Be nice and comfortable, great for morning coffee, great space. Okay, so if you're interested in the space, you want to learn more about it, or if you're interested in a space that's similar, maybe there's some details that you like and others that you don't, but you have ideas. Share those ideas with me, okay? I would love to hear your thoughts on this property, as well as thoughts on, I like the area, I know something about this, I know that. Share it with me. Don't be a stranger. All right? Beautiful. 726 Kenyon Avenue, Northwest. Take care.